If you're wondering how to use GetResponse for SMS marketing and whether it's the best option, this quick explainer will walk you through everything you need to know. Stick around because at the end, I'll share an exclusive free trial and some better alternatives that might save you time and money. First, to send SMS campaigns with GetResponse, you'll need their SMS marketing add-on, which isn't included in their basic plans. You have to purchase SMS credits separately, and pricing depends on the destination country. This means costs can add up quickly, especially if you're running high-volume campaigns. Next, setting up an SMS campaign is straightforward. Inside GetResponse, go to SMS Marketing, then click Create SMS. You'll enter your message, set up personalization tags, and choose recipients from your list. However, GetResponse doesn't offer advanced segmentation for SMS unless you're using their full marketing automation suite, which comes at a higher price. If you're looking for detailed customer behavior-based triggers, this might not be ideal. The next thing to know, compliance. GetResponse does require that all numbers you message have opted in, and you need to include an unsubscribe option. If you're targeting customers in the US, you'll also have to follow TCPA and carrier regulations. Other platforms like ActiveCampaign and Brevo simplify this process by automatically handling compliance requirements. Another issue, deliverability. Unlike dedicated SMS platforms, GetResponse doesn't offer carrier filtering or delivery rate tracking. If messages don't go through, there's not much feedback on why. Twilio or Postscript, for example, give real-time analytics so you can optimize campaigns. A key limitation, no two-way messaging, GetResponse's SMS marketing is strictly one way. If a customer replies, you won't see it. Many competitors, like OmniSend or Klaviyo, offer two-way SMS, which is crucial for customer engagement and conversions. Overall, GetResponse works for basic SMS marketing, but lacks the automation, segmentation, and tracking that specialized SMS platforms provide. If you're serious about SMS marketing, there are better tools out there. Now, if you want the best SMS marketing platform for your goals, I've added an exclusive extended free trial to the best alternatives in the description. These platforms offer better automation, cheaper pricing, and more features tailored to SMS marketing. Through our link, you'll get the best deal available, so check it out before signing up.